Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload HTML file in Hostinger. So you have a website on Hostinger and you want to upload a HTML file for verification or any other purpose, this video is for you. Whether you are uploading a simple HTML file or for Google account verification or any other HTML file, this video will help you. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger hPanel, and here we will see the hosting section. Click on manage next to your web hosting. If you have multiple domains on your web hosting, then from the top you can select your domain name from here. After that, click on file manager, or you can click on files from the left menu and then click on file manager. If you want to access all the files of your web hosting, then you can go with the second option. And if you want to access the specific website files, then you can go with the first option. I will go with the first option from here. After that, click on public_HTML. Now to upload our HTML file, click on upload from the top, select file. So here is our Google verification HTML file. So we are going to select it and then click on open. And as you can see that our HTML file is now uploaded to Hostinger. So if I scroll down from here, so here is our HTML file that we have just uploaded, and you can check from the status a few seconds ago. So this is how you can upload HTML file in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.